There's been a lot of hype around the gut microbiome and how to optimize it for our health, but new research suggests we should probably not get ahead of ourselves. It is true that certain gut microbes and the products that are produced by those microbes may be associated with various diseases like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and neurological diseases, but it's difficult to tease out whether or not they are cause and effect relationships based on the existing data. But this new study does a better job of that. They looked at genetic variants that are associated with more or less of certain gut microbes and the products that are produced by those microbes, which essentially functions like a lifelong randomized controlled trial because these genetic variants would be randomly assigned at birth. And they looked at several outcomes, including Alzheimer's disease, type 2 diabetes, coronary artery disease, longevity, and more. After adjusting for possible confounding due to alcohol intake or BMI, there were some weak associations present, but after performing some statistical tests that helped tease out the possibility of false positives, there was no clear evidence of a strong causal association. This suggests that previous data on this topic may be confounded. For example, a plant-based diet may foster a certain type of gut microbiome while also lowering the risk of cardiovascular disease, but it isn't necessarily the case that the gut microbiome is responsible for those benefits. It's more likely that the benefits are driven by other factors like the cholesterol and blood pressure lowering properties of a plant-based diet. This doesn't necessarily mean the gut microbiota has no impact, but the hype outpaces the evidence.